And the Igbo is Ehihe Oma. At least you already know Oma, right? So just add in the one. Ehihe Oma. Let's say it. Ehihe Oma. Again? Ehihe Oma. Correct. Now, let's say we want to use that to say good afternoon, Daddy. What do you say? How do you say good afternoon, Mommy? Name. How do you say good afternoon, boy? Oh, yeah. Do you remember what boy is in Igbo? Okay. Okay. And how do you say good afternoon, girl? Wine. Okay. Now I'm gonna teach you one other things that we can use in speaking, and that is, hey, listen. If you want to use the word and in Igbo, okay, and like boy and girl, yeah, it's na. Boy and girl. Okay, na wine, which is boy. Good. If you wanna say good morning, boy and girl, you say okay na wine. Now you remember, if you say boy, you're talking of one person, right? Boy. If you say girl, you're talking of one person. But if you say boys or girls, they are not really the same in Igbo. Okay, what's Otigeshemea in Igbo to make it plural? If you add omo, if you add what? Omo in front of it, not at the back. Omo. Omo, okay. I will write it here for all of you because we're gonna learn at least a lot of that today. So when you talk of boys, in English, the plural is just seen by adding the X. But in Igbo, it's not really by adding the X. We add omo, meaning more than. The same way, it's the same thing to say children. It's like. Listen. So, for plural, we usually add the word, where's my duster? So it's easy for us to clean. I think it's better if I start that way, okay? So I'll say for plural in Igbo, we use the word omo. Everybody say it. Omo. Again. Omo. Now add that to boys. Say, boys is what? Okay. Okay. We have okay. Oh yeah, say omo okay. Let's go. Which means boys or a group of boys. But it's just a way to say boys. If you also want to say girls, you say what? Omo one. Correct. Omo one. That's girls. Are you learning that? Yeah. Now we can also use omo for children. When it's more than one, you remember I told you, when it's more than one, okay? That is more than one. If you want to call them together, you say omo. So, like the three of you are in Igbo. I got to know omo desire, right? So I don't need to say 1, 2, 2, 2, 2, 2, 3. Like you are the desires child. No, I will just say Nuna to omo desire. You see him? It's omo plural encompassing. Desire wa hampagi, right? Okay. Wa hampagi. You know what is aha? Aha is name. Aha mpagi or aha nnagi. Okay. Now I'm gonna use that word and we're gonna start making sentences with ehihie. Let's say again, what is good afternoon in Igbo? Again? Now let's say good afternoon, boys. Let's go. Okay. All right, say it again. Good afternoon, boys. 1, 2, go. Now say good afternoon, girls. Omuwani. Good. Again. Omuwani. Let's go. Unyabala koya. Omuwani. I wanna hear you, Caleb. Onye kwa nọ na do. You know, chibi ame petos. Do you know? Uncle go chukwu abel. Onye ko. Prike onye dosara. Hava. Okay, nonso. Yeah, nonso. Sorry, guys. We remember Umuwoke. We're having a visitor. Welcome. Mechi. Okay. Petito, madam. One of the other. All right, now, what would you want to say to your mom in the afternoon? Name. What happens if there are more than? All right. If there is more than one mom around. Now you know that mom is nne. Mom is not one. Don't forget your mom. Like anybody who, I mean, every mother is a girl, right? Or was a girl, but no mom wants to be referred to as a girl, right? So you don't call a girl your mom one. You know, you say nne. I said your mom. Your mom.
You can't call your dad
okay. Your dad will okay. He will understand, but that would be when you are joking.
Yeah.
If you are joking, you can say, "Be okay, man. I'm not the other." You are only joking. Don't say that way you are not. Your father will give you a little slap. You know, you don't do that. Okay. Now let's learn another one. Then we start to make sentences with that one. The next one is. Everybody say it. Mbede. 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 Let's go. Mbede. Mbede. Oma. That means good evening. It means what?
Good evening.
Again?
Good evening.
All right, let's go from beginning. What is good morning? What is good afternoon? What is good evening? Mbede oma. Gawa. I will cut it. I will cut all of this off. Okay. I'm happy Naina Mota a lot of things. And that is very good.
Can we get a break?
My God, no time for break. You just started. Okay, you remember I said Omuwoke is when you're talking of boys, and Omuwa is when you're talking of more than one girl, right? Omuwai. But that is different if you're talking of more than one mom. You don't say umunne. Now that will not be more modest. Okay. Umunne is, you remember one is what?
Sibling.
One is sibling, correct. Now that's what we are gonna learn today. To differentiate that. One is sibling.
Sibling.
However,
Sibling.
nwa alone.
Baby.
NWA
Baby.
is
Baby.
boy or child
Child.
or baby. Not just a baby, like A11 desire, A11 desire, A11 desire, right? All of you, right? So what you may do, when you get home, you can tell your mother, Nne, Nne abum nwagi. All right, we're gonna make that as a sentence we are all going to learn. And that's what I'm going to now. Remember, what did I say? Nwa is baby or child. So, but everybody's a child.
Yes.
Don't forget, even your father has a father, right? So to your father's father, your father is a child. She is Nwam. Okay?
Yes.
Onya Nwam. Onya Nwam. Onya. Now we can also use that in talking. We are gonna say Nwa nwoke, meaning boy child, right?
A boy child.
A boy child means a boy, like a child as a boy.
Yes.
Nwa nwanyị means a girl child. I'm trying to combine things. What we have learned. We have learned one, okay?
Yes.
And we have learned woke.
Yes.
Is that correct?
Yes.
Now, let's learn boy child and girl child. Now, don't forget, we already know what a child is, which is what? Let's say that. Nwa is a child. Now, how do you say a boy child is what? Good. Again? How do we say a girl child? Again? Again? All right. Come join Juju. Iburu nwa nwoke nga welie aka elu. Now, what did you hear in what I just said? At least you had something.
If your child,
Again, iburu nwa nwoke.
If you're a child, raise your hand up.
Listen well.
Boy.
Listen well, and then I will see what you do.
Yo.
Okay. Anka, for a child, I think 70. A child will be 70 for the 5 days, 40 hours. I think it's more than 5 days. Monday, Saturday, Monday, Saturday, Monday, Saturday. Don't school me.
Yes.
It's good. Hana Mutayota. Last Monday. What is good morning in Igbo? How do you say good morning, my father? How do you say good morning, my mother? Good. How do you say boy child? Boy child. Okay, that's good. How do you say girl child? Clap for yourself.
Wow.
This is the best. Something fun, something
togetherness is also
personalized. Otherwise, you go online and sometimes you hand on Igbo mark give hand oh but since your baby and me still the first day, you can pay 50, 60 up to you. You may talk on longer. Because you have to see that. I don't know what totally. I don't know totally. Yeah.
Obodo
Kwana Nigeria na ime ebe a ime ne
Apiage, ya ge batanga me moz daddy apiage.
part of the training.
Oh yeah.
Ekuru me na emezi ka ịma nwunye m sị ka ọ sị ka mkpọta ya na agwa ka m na-akpọ ya na phone so ka m mara ka ọ sị na ya nwe echichabi ike because and then enwe ka ọ chọrọ isi mee introduce to nwanne ya nwoke ka ọ ghara ịwụ na edosara ya one side so achọrọ m ga mbatazie mpik then I think maybe most likely tomorrow I get discharged.
Yeah, they will discharge us tomorrow after 48 hours. Yeah.
Tomorrow in the evening, then tomorrow the hospital.
Yeah.
Discharge.
Yeah, that's good. That's so bad. So bad. Okay, babu okay, babu but he'll be fine once he sees these ones. Okay. Yeah, come. Okay, he's chief for doing himself.
Now I don't be this yesterday. Wherever na miracle had
Okay. Now you're having a little break because we are talking and I'm chilling with this my friend. Onya Mazi Chinonso. Mazi Chinonso.
Na miracle na tapia zikri Igbo.
Do you remember what I said if you want to say boys? Boys, not boy child. Okay, that's good. Okay, say it again. God didn't. All right, we continue. Now, people are doing good, and I love it. You're learning really good, and that is nice. Now, I want you to start practicing that. Okay, let's go again. What is boys?
Girl.
Again. Okay, say it. And what is girls? Again. Let me hear Caleb. Say it.
Say it again.
Look here, somewhere. Where? Omo. Wine. Omo. Wanna hear the omo? Wine. Omo wine. And what is girl child? Wine. All right, I will go from you. What is a girl child, Elijah? A girl child, not girls. A girl child.
My sibling.
Say nwa wani. Not wani. Nwa wani. Say it. No, wani. Again. Nwa wani. Mimi say it. Nwa. Chooks. Good. Caleb. Nwa wani. Ịhụnanya. Nwa wani. Wakwara na mụ n'aka. Good. Now we are going to start using all of that. I want to hear how all of you will address each other now. Okay. I want you to greet yourselves by what Igbo. Okay, let's start. You're gonna pick somebody to we have 5. So you can pick me and say to me if you don't have a person you pick. I will make you go of everything in Igbo. No. The same way you said Ututu Nam, which is good morning, my father.
You could say that too, like. Oh, okay. I get
So
it now.
you can say.
I get it now. I still get it.
Okay, I want you boys to greet the ladies. Say good morning, girl child. Listen, after this we go for break. Say good morning, girl child in Igbo. Not yet. I will tell you. You say it one by one. Good morning, girl child, and the girls, you say good morning, boy child. All right. All right. Are you ready? One by one. You can look at it, but after I will clean it and you say it without looking at it. What did I say? You're gonna say good morning, girl child for the boys, and the girls to say good morning, boy child. Nwanyi. Okay, now you started. Mimi, say your own. Correct, Chooks. You're looking at one of them, so you talk to one of them. So yeah, that is gonna come. We'll say that again. Say Caleb, say your own. Nwanyi. Tell him. Okay. All right, guys. There's something we have learned here, which is this Oma is good, right?
Yes.
You know that good evening.
Always gonna be
The evening is the mbede. Hey, okay, listen everybody. The evening is the what? Mbede. Say it again.
Mbede.
And the good is what?
Oma.
Now in Igbo, the coolest way to say good morning to people is like saying good morning, good girl.
Good morning, good girl.
Yes.
Oh, good morning, good boy.
And you don't say it as if it's English. You put you see that Oma is at the end. He's not like, you see, here I said good evening, but in Igbo we write evening good.
Switch it.
So you switch the good, you take it to the end. I will say it again. You are saying good morning, good girl. Don't forget, in Igbo, the good is at the end.
Yes.
Now, let me hear how you will say it. Everybody say good morning, good girl in Igbo. 1, 2, go. Wanyi oma, correct. Now, let's say it again. 1, 2, go. Otutu oma, wanyi oma. Again.
Otutu oma, wanyi oma.
Ozo. Now, the English word of Ozo is the same again, okay?
Yeah.
Now, let's say it again. 1 to go. Now, say good afternoon, good boy. Again. Again. Now say good evening, good father. Oh, correct. Clap for give me a 5. Good. Now we're gonna say it again. Good evening, good father. Let's go. Oma na oma. Let's go. 1 to go. Again. Yes.
Oh, like a pattern.
Yeah, mbedoma na oma. You already know oma. You just have to put na or ne, nwoke, mobo wanyi. Huh? Okay, my nwoke. But it's easy, right?
Yeah.
Yeah, Igbo is easy.
The only thing you have to really think about is the position.
Yes.
That's the only thing.
Yeah, just once you can place the positioning at the end. If you're gonna say something is good or somebody is good,
Then will be good.
you put it at the end. You don't put it like good evening. That is in English. The good comes before the evening, but in Igbo, the evening good.
Like
Yes.
evening good or
Yeah. In Igbo, it's evening good, not good evening. That is if you are translating literally.
Evening good. That good.
Okay. Now we are going to continue from here. We'll continue from here once you come back from your break. Okay. Please go ahead and practice all of this. You have 5 minutes break. Go on.
yeah.
Go on, guys. Go.
Evening good.
But ozugbo eji atụ na mgbede ọma na onye ọbụla alaghachi na position.